Recording in progress.
Good morning, beautiful people. It's your boy Terrence Gibson here with another awesome Intelligence Prime Capital video. I told myself I was going to find out what day it was before I started, but I forgot to do it. So we start on the 20th. So 7/14 is the third. Let's go down. The 10th would be 21, 22, 23. 23 days in. 23 days in the 12th. And we also know that the 17th is going to be the cutoff day for hitting these ranks. So the grandfathering program is gone, which makes sense because how you going to grandfather me in if I didn't hit the ranks and then pay me money that I didn't qualify for? I mean, that'd be crazy for a company, period. We want this company to last. So we just got to go to work. You know what I'm saying? We just got to hit those switches and make those ranks. We just got to make those ranks. So as you can see, the team is um people are because I had 34 for like the last few days. So people are just reinvesting, and it's piling up over here. And then this is growing over here because this the bot is still kicking butt and taking names. I think we did 1.2, 1.3. I'll show you in 1 second on because I know on my phone I made 19. Let me look at it real quick. 1930. I made 1930 last night. And if I got 1647, that lets you know I did more than 1%. More than 1%. So if it's 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, we beat every savings account in America. Um, so you might have to have an illegal savings account to beat that. And that's I'm talking about in a year, in one day. So we're doing excellent over here. We're doing excellent over here. So like I said, people reinvest in, and then of course Friday, Saturday night, that the chunk of the team's efforts that piles up in here on this blue wallet also. So remember, every Friday evening, Saturday night, whatever time frame you in, I can't really tell, but I know it's after Friday after trading stops. So it might be 8 o'clock, might be 7 o'clock, might be 6 o'clock EST, and then convert your time that they're going to take 100% of everything that was traded in the green wallet that week. They're going to take it and then put 80% back in your blue wallet. It's not going to be instantly. So it's going to be a couple hours. And then 80% is showed up here. And the 20%, of course, the company keeps. And then they start divvying up all the compensation throughout the that you was made. So we'll be doing 20% off this level and 30% off of this level. Well, 30% off of whatever was traded. And since it's weekly, you can't really go off of the, oh, it might do 30% this week, this month, or it might be this, unless you're just letting it pile up. Then you could probably go off of that. But if you're withdrawing weekly, what you do is you do the calculations weekly. So let's just play with that real quick. Open this calculator and we can see what could be. I want it to stay where you can see. Okay, we already know personal sales. That's the levels. You can figure it out later. So let's say what could be. So this is my second level. This level right here can be my third, fourth, fifth. So it'll be a little hard to kind of calculate that. So I'll go with the second level. So let's say 18. First I need to know what percentage I'm working with. So say if we do, all right, okay, hold on 1 second. Let's do this first. Just to show you where we at, and then we'll come back to what we have done. I wonder if I could just go in here and just open my FX book and it'll go straight to that one. My yeah, okay, it does. All right, there we go. I didn't want to come off of that one screen because then I had to go back and come back to that. So the bot is done 343% in 5 months and 2 days. It's crazy. We did 1.19% last night. So far this week, We're up 4.23%. Today is Wednesday. So it's going to trade tonight into Thursday and Thursday night into Friday. So we got 2 more nights. So say if it does 1.5, 1.5, that's going to be 7%. Like it did 7% the first week. So let's just say it does, 1.5, 1.5, 7.23. Yeah, let's just say it's going to do, let's just work with 7%. Let's work with 7%. And then, because it definitely can do greater, definitely see, I can't promise you what it's going to do every day, but we're happy we're getting these funds because our money's not sitting like pond water. Not sitting like pond water. All right, so come back here, open the calculator back up. We're working with 7%. 7%. So the bot does 7%. You go ahead and you do the 18,630 times 0.07 equals $1,304. And then you'll times that by 0.3, because that's what you make on that day. So you'll make $391 in 1 week off of just opening your mouth and telling people. So you obviously, you can see times 4, you got 1.5 just off of telling people. And this is going to continue to grow, because I'm going to continue to tell people, and then my people are going to continue to build their companies and build their own personal CEO branches of this company. Remember, they're all business owners, so they're going to take their own company and take them by storm, because this is growing like crazy. And remember, I've been at 34 for a minute, and we was at 14,000 with 34. So now it's at 18,000, and you know the people are reinvested. They're reinvesting. And then if we come down to this next level, and it'd be the same thing with the same 7%, we'll just work out just to see where it could be, because this could be my second level, my third level, my fourth level. This could be my second level, third level, fourth level, because we have people far down. So let's see, 71736, and these grow as it trades. So everybody that's in here that's trading, this is growing daily. So that 1.7%, that went in here. So it's really like $71,000 just made 1.7%. And don't get a chunk out of that. That's just how great this is. 87, right? And then you times that by 0.07 equals $5,000. You times that by 0.3, $1,500. So then you times that by 4, $6,000 paycheck. That's $6,000 paycheck. So it's probably gonna be a little different in this number, because like I said, all this money is not on my second level. So it's on my second, my third. So I don't know the breakdown, and I don't have time to do all that right now. We're just gonna thank God that it's there, and we're just gonna enjoy it. So if it's $1,000, so right now it's showing, let me see if I expand my calculator. So say about, it was kind of close to that. So say it was like 1,200. So if it's 1,200 from that level, right? And then the other one was 391. So that could be like $1,500. That'll show up on Friday. $1,500 more that'll show up on Friday, which is excellent. Because you know, $1,500 a week turns into $6,000 a month. And that's just all for telling people. I can't make nothing more than that. I mean, I got my percentage working on $1,640 something dollars. Let me see. Let's do 1,647. I'm definitely going to increase it. I got another feeder program that I'm gonna be killing it on that side and filling this up too. I mean, yeah, you just got to just keep working different things to keep your money just flowing. And you got to have more than one stream of income. So, and if you look on my YouTube page, you will see my other streams of income. So we take that, and this is all me. So times that by 0.07 equals $115. So they're going to take 80% of that. So times 8. That's what I would make, $92.23. So they'll put that in there on top of the $1,500 possible that's there for me to make. Because when I kind of look at my back office, and I did look, there are people down on them lower levels, but it's not nobody like with thousands and thousands and thousands in the game. They're mostly on my first and second level. So most of that 70,000 is on my second level. Yeah, most of it is on my second level. Yeah. Because like I told you, I got one guy that's on my first level that's the same rank I am. And he got more people than I do. Because we got to hit this 100,000 to get to the next rank. And if I definitely want to keep it and stay, I'm gonna have to add a little bit more money right here. I think I only got to add about $1,400 more dollars, or 13 and some change. And then if this hits 100,000, so we're watching, because Friday's gonna hit. That's gonna drop because all them 80, they're gonna take the 80s. They're gonna take the 80s out, put them in their accounts, and the 20 the company's gonna take. And then it's up to them to figure out, it's 80% of whatever the interest was, not the whole 71,000. So we do, like I said, we do 7%. It's going to take out 7%, and then 80% is going to go to the people, and then 20% is going to go to the company, like it's supposed to. And then there's no monthly fees. I mean, just a one-time in money for the rest of the time being. We want to always say forever. The only thing internal is God. So we just pray that, these things, I mean, the way the company is set up, they can go on and on and on. They're registered to go on and on and on. So we just pray that, it's God's will for them to go on and on and on. That's really what it boils down to. So, hey, so we did that. I showed you my Myfxbook. I don't know, people. This is just exciting. I mean, I don't know what else I really need to go through after that. All the thing I can tell you is if you're in, you need to start increasing, because this is where you can go. If you're in and you don't have nobody on your second level, you need to start telling people, because this is how you can grow and you can do better. I got a guy, my man Larry, Triplet. I think he only got like 10 people with the same rank. I keep telling y'all, it's who you know. We're the same rank. He got all these. I think he has more money in his I think he already hit the or real close to hitting 100,000, and he has 8 people on his first level, 8 to 10 people on his first level. I have 34, so that means he got 8 to 10 ballers that came in and like shkabangum. I mean, come on. They came in full-fledged. They're doers. My people are doers too. But what I'm saying is he found 8 people that came in and have him at his looks. He has more money in his account, and he only has 8 to 10 people. This can be you. You can have one person and have more money in his account. I've been doing this for a while. I know what people put in these opportunities. I know what people put in these opportunities. So I've seen it firsthand. So all you got to do is just talk, open your mouth, show proof that it's working. And them jokers with that long money, I'm gonna call them jokers. Them beautiful people with them long money gonna come in, and they're gonna invest with you, and you're gonna be blessed from it. They're gonna be more blessed, but you're gonna be blessed while they're over there smiling. And keep them happy. Keep them happy. It look like that thing just moved. I don't know, what did I just put in there? 7. Yeah, I'm just seeing stuff. Getting too excited when I'm doing this video. It should have been 7,7173687. Yeah, probably just me. All right, beautiful people. Well, let's see. You never know what people are doing while you're 7,71736.87. Okay, I'm probably the only one up this morning. And it was 18,63044. Let's see. It was okay. Come on. I just did it in front of you guys. Where's the number? Oh, we did the 71,000, right? And then, well, first we did the the one to show you what I would have got. So this is 71, 6,015. What I'm looking for is one of these numbers should be that number. Because I know I did it. They kind of show you where it would be right here. Okay, let me see. Okay, let's scroll down. 18,630. 18,630. So 630.44. Okay, I just left on the 44. Okay. All right. Well, beautiful people, I'm going in this video. This is day 23. And we came up with 23. Yeah. So this is 7, 14, 21, 22, 23. Day 23. And I'll post the video. 1.19%. Boy. All right. Love you. I'm sorry to tell you, if you're not one of these 34, you need to be up in there. I need to see this number go up. You need to come on in here and get this money and start taking care of your family. This is passive income, people. All I do is wake up in the morning, I talk to you, I post videos, and this thing just grows. By the glory of God, this thing just grows. It just grows. I'm trying to tell you, I'm not doing no heavy lifting. I'm doing no heavy work. I have no calluses. I put my work in life. You know what I'm saying? I put my work in life. And one thing I can tell you, you can't trust a 9 to 5. So you got to have something else. You got to think about all rich people have more than one stream of income. You always wonder, like, why are they trying to buy this? Why are they trying to invest in that? Why are they trying to do this? Because they know how it works. Because if income streams, they got 10 income streams and 1, 2, and 3 fall off, they still got 4 through 10 to take care of their family. You got to have it. And if 1 through 5 fall off, they got 6 through 10 to take care of their family. And you got to always have more than one. And you got to have more than one pouring into the pot so that your family can always be taken care of. Remember, that's scripture. That's scriptural. If a man does not take care of those of his household, he is worse than an infidel and has denied the faith. That's scripture. Man. So if a woman run everything, God bless you, ma'am. Keep doing what you do. I implore you. But you're talking to the man. Talking to the man. Now, if you the man and your wife got a 6-figure, 7-figure job and she said you do the house stuff, hey, do your thing. As long as it works, whatever work for y'all, just make sure you're the spiritual head of your household. That's what you really need to be. All right. I think that's it. So like, subscribe, rock that bell. Love you people. Join my team. Let's get busy and get you into the Telegram group. A lot of exciting things are happening. Like I told you, my uplines, the leaders of our group, they making like $80,000 a week. Dude, because you got to think about it. If I'm on their team and I'm bringing in this amount, that means my people that are bringing in this amount are on their team. That means there's a whole lot of, and I'm not on their first level. So there's a lot of people. My upline that actually brought me in, he's closer to this 100,000 than I am, of course. So I'm just trying to tell you, man, it's a lot. Just think about it. If we're just 2, how many people did they bring in and invite and doing the same thing? Because I think Larry, my man Larry, is on their team too. So if he got his section, they got their section. Oh my gosh. And this can be you. So my people that are in here, these 34 people are beasting up. They're watching these videos. They're watching their back office. They're hitting me on the DMs. Yo, how I have more money? How I do this? How I do that? I mean, they're so excited. They when you watch the videos, man. I don't care. I'm just showing, hey, this is how you do it. I'll just keep sending information because you get paid for what you do. You put work in people's lives. You help people out. You get paid. And let me stop because I can keep on talking and talking and talking and talking. So love you people. Like, subscribe, rock that bell, join my team. Let's get busy. Just go through my YouTube channel. There's a lot of great things in there for you. All right. God bless.